Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we have the Shubharam candles. So today we have another product right here, which is another Diwali special product that we have right here, which is Shubharam candles, and today we are going to review this. So guys, as Diwali is approaching and it's getting closer day by day, what we have for you is a Shubharam candles, which we are going to review today, which you all can help to light up your house with these amazing candles. So starting off with the packaging of the product, it comes in the simple box right here. You can see a simple brown color box with the Shubharam branding right on top. Right on top is the Shubharam branding right here, and the candles are placed inside. So let's go ahead and open the candles. So this is how it comes packaged, and inside this are these wonderful small candles which are there, which are made out of clay. And this is ceramic candle, actually not even clay, ceramic pots in which that they have placed a tea light candle right inside it. So you can see, so once the candle is over, you can replace it with another tea light candle that comes. So these are not aromatic, these are simple candles, but you can put in like aromatic tea light candles as well if you like them, and you can add to it. So you get a pack of 2 with this, and this is available on Amazon. Do check it out if you are looking to buy it. It's available on Amazon, guys. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a like if you like this video.